with old Thunder Truck there thumping away. And wifey laying on the ground taking the best Instagram photos. The truck is fluctuating between 2,700 and 2,650 on the scale. Let's see if we can actually get up here and see this. It was 2850 with me in it. Yeah, I weigh 150 pounds and I'm 6'4". I'm sorry, I'm skinny, but check that out. That's this truck weighs 2,700 pounds. And twin turbo 5.3, turbo 400, trans brake, soon to be 8.8 or 9-inch because I know this thing will explode. Yeah, this thing is just ridiculous. It's running great. It was at like 192 the whole way here. Fantastic. I think I'm gonna switch the GoPro around and I might go down a ways and then on the way back see if I can get it to roll into some boost. But I don't know, man. At like 60, it's trying to break loose. So I want to see 60, 65 if I can get something to go on. But I'm just rambling here because this is it's crazy. I was expecting 29, 50, 3,000 on the nose, something like that. 2,700. This is a Corolla almost. Oh. I'm gonna get into my other full throttle here because I am thirsty, and yeah, then we'll get back to the house. Oh no, where'd my drink go? No! I don't know where it went. Oh, there it is. I'm sitting here freaking myself out. Got the boy back there hanging out. What are you doing, Feeny? Look at her. But we'll get home. We got some other updates on some other things we want to talk about, and future plans with this thing, and when we'll be taking it drag racing. Nice bud. Just checking things over. Everything is looking fantastic. It's of course dark and we can't see crap because I didn't bring a light, but I don't see. Oh, is this me? No, I don't think that's me. I think those are somebody else because those are residual and greasy. I don't see. Where would that'd be at my tie rod. I don't think my tie rod is straight. But like I was saying, everything seems great. I am 3/4 to 7/8 of the way full on fuel. So this is what we would be race weight is 2,700 pounds. Jeez, I am, yeah, like all the way to the top. But that's incredible. When we get home, I'm gonna bust out, I did get a new phone, but just for filming and some other stuff like that, for the channel, obviously, trying to invest in the channel. I want to get home. I should have brought the drone out here. Hindsight. Yeah, I want to get home and do some quarter-mile calculators. I said that so weird. And I want to see exactly what, 2,700 pounds for a 999 pass would be, what it equates to. Obviously, those calculators are not 100% accurate by any means. You have to put my hood down in a specific order. But obviously I just want to get an idea. I mean, if it says I need to make 600 horsepower to do a 9, I'm gonna make 600 horsepower very easily. So that will be fantastic. Like I said, let's get back home and let's just look at it one more time. 2,700, we can barely see it. You little cute bastard. Oh, I love it. All right, let's get out of here. I got the GoPro turned around so I can spin on my way out. stopped, obviously, because we have wifey's car too, and the little yellow truck that could. Loaded up baby boy, did a quick walk. We are at Trojan Nuclear Plant, and he sounds pissed that he just got loaded in the car, and he definitely wanted to keep walking. But yeah, truck's doing great. It's actually dropping down to 189 degrees when I'm cruising, which is exactly what I want. I'm just listening to him crying, trying not to laugh. I'm a bad dad. Yeah, I mean, it's ridiculous. It is just putting rubber down everywhere. These tires, I mean, they're not the best, but they're not the worst. I have them at like 30 PSI or something right now, cold, and I think we saw on the GoPro. If not, I'll make sure to put that clip in again. At 60 miles an hour, big toe, you know, cartoon, put your toe out through your shoe and just on the gas pedal. It blows the tires off, so I need to start watching some more street racing channel, some SRC Garage, stuff like that, and I need to figure out definitely how to get this little guy here to hook up, because without traction, what's the point? I got a 2,700 pound burnout truck. Do not mistake that as me saying burnout truck would be a bad thing. I just want to race for once. I can do burnouts in a lot of things, including this and the Fairmont, obviously, but look at that little guy. It's just beautiful. I love this stupid little truck. Something that I was just gonna flip and, you know, throw a couple, you know, $100, maybe $1,000 into, and now I've just slowly but surely this thing has started to grow on me. And I think it's about time we head home. We'll talk about a little more things once we get there. I'm thinking I see an empty road as I leave. I don't know about you guys, but we might do a little burn. Alright, we're gonna get out of here.
Oh yeah? I feel the same way, dude.
with some good tires on it. Oh, dude, those are sticky. Oh, I want to try traction for once. Jeez. Oh, sorry, I'm just stoked. I got slicks. We're not putting tubes in them. We're mounting them on wheels. We're going racing soon. I'm gonna weld up the steering column a little more. You know what? Let me shut this off. I can't hear. I'm deaf. Whoa. Okay, and let's turn off the GoPro. I'm gonna weld up the steering column. You can't see me because I think that slop where I crappily over drilled the bolt hole and then have the bolt just undersized, I think that's the slop that's giving me some steering issue. Obviously I drove it for over an hour, it steers fine. I just think that's why I'm having such a hard time handling it. Just knocked off my door handle, whatever. Also, after following SRC Garage, street racing channel, watching Tommy's truck, listening to Tommy's dad, a bunch of the tips I've realized are I need to brace the frame in this thing. These trucks, I guess, above 500-600 wheel are just flimsy as all get out, and this thing is probably making 500 or 600 on 10 pounds right now. It will not get any sort of traction below 60, 70, you know? I mean, at 60 and 70, it's still not getting traction, so we got a lot of work to do, and it's gonna be on this guy and on this guy. The Fairmont has just been sitting and eating at me. Thankfully, I do believe I'll be getting my gaskets tomorrow the next day, which means we already got the cam in, we already got everything else in. I just have to throw these head gaskets on there, slam the heads on, which I have another set that actually already had springs in them that I forgot about, so I'm not even gonna put those spare springs into one of the sets of heads that I have somewhere else. But now I'm rambling, I'm gonna get some work done, and instead of showing you 50 other projects that you don't care about right now, we'll wait. We'll have some more fun with this guy tomorrow and the next day. And that means we'll catch you guys later. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little bell button for the notifications. Thank you for doing that, you know. Where it's like 21% unsubscribed viewers and like 69%, 71% subscribed, something like that. I don't know. I like 69 better. But Average Joe Builds out.